Good morning children, myself Purnima Dikshit ma'am, your science teacher is here with chapter number 9, force, work and energy. And moving ahead with the same chapter, we are moving on to a new topic children, that is wheel and axle. And the next topic which we are going to cover is children, a pulley. What is a pulley? So before we start, let us see how these machines are making our life easy and how the difficult work is easily done with the help of this kind of a thing. So let us know wheel and axle, what is it and where it is used. So here you can see children in your own textbook, it has been given here out that the machine like windlass, you can see children, there is a wheel out here you can see, then there is an axle being used. Clear children? You can call this an axle, it is like a rod. So this is how the water is drawn from below, and with the rotation of the wheel, the water is coming up with the help of a wheel and axle. Can you see children? So now try to explain you what is wheel and how it is working. Let us see windlass. Children, it was used to draw water from a well. And children, rotating the wheel would move the attached wooden log and coil the rope around it. So as you can see in the picture, with the help of this, it was able to uplift the bucket of water. And it is an example of a wheel and axle. As you can see, I have shown you where the wheel, when the wheel is rotating, the water is coming up with the help of an axle, that you can say a rod. Then children, the wheel and axle consist of a wheel rigidly attached to a rod called an axle. And children, when one rotates the wheel, the axle also rotates. Okay, when the wheel is rotating, the axle is also rotating, as I have shown you in your textbook. So children, the example of using wheel and axle is, you can say door knobs and screwdrivers are example of wheel and axle. So you can see the picture of door and axle in your textbook also children. Here you can see the picture of screwdriver and a door knob. Here you can see children, and in this you can see where is the axle in a screwdriver. Here you can see the axle, and children, here you can see the wheel which is used in a screwdriver. And in the door knob children, you can see where is the axle, here it is there, and where is the wheel, here it is. As you rotate the wheel, the door opens. Okay children, these are the two examples being given here. So for you to know where is the wheel and axle, here children, I am holding a screwdriver in my hand. Just see it carefully. This is a screwdriver which I am holding, and which is also being given in your textbook, as it is shown in your textbook. So children, here you can say that, here you can see the axle. This is the axle, and children, this is the wheel. Okay, as it is labeled in your textbook also. Here I can show you again. You can see it with the help of this. Where is the wheel and where is the axle present? Clear? Here you can see children the axle and the wheel present in the screwdriver. Clear children? So once again I am trying to show you the screwdriver which I am holding in my hand, and here remember children, this is the axle and this is the wheel in a screwdriver, which is helping to tighten up any screw or anything whenever you are needing to use a screwdriver. Clear children? And children, for you to understand, I hope with the help of this, you are able to understand how the wheel and axle works. Moving on to the new topic children, that is the pulley. And children, here you are going to see a crane which is shown in your textbook. With the help of this pulley, a crane can lift heavy objects. Can you see it children? Here the picture of a crane is given, and you can lift any heavy load with the help of a pulley, right here. And children, the other examples being given below are, as you can see the pulley here, and the load is being picked up with the help of a pulley as it is rotating. And children, another example they have given you is of a flagpole, and with the help of a pulley out here, the flag is hoisted. Then you can see a sailboat, children. Here you can see a pulley right here in the sailboat. So children, I hope these are the examples where you are able to understand pulley can do these kind of work. So let us see, children. The crane is using a special simple machine called a pulley to move the heavy car. As I told you, a pulley is helping to pull up any heavy load. And children, without using a pulley, it would be very difficult to move a car. And you know, children, if the crane is not having any pulley in it, it would be very difficult for you to lift the car as it is very heavy. So it is making our work very simple. So you can say a pulley is a simple machine made of a wheel and a rope. Clear, children? You can understand now? Very simple to understand. What is a pulley? You can see a pulley is a simple machine made up of a wheel and a rope. So children, let us see how it is working. Children, the rope simply rests in the groove of the wheel. It is doing nothing but it is resting on the wheel. Clear? And children, it is most commonly used to draw water from a well. And one part of the rope is attached to the bucket. And the bucket can be the load. And children, the other end of the rope is left to pull the bucket. And the bucket is lifting, and that can be the effort when you are pulling the bucket, right? So you can say, children, when you pull on one side of the pulley, the wheel turns and the bucket will move up. So this is how it is working in the well. And children, for you to understand this kind of a function which is shown, I have tried to bring a model of a well in my hand. See, children, it is made simply with cutting a plastic bottle. You can see right here the plastic bottle is there. Then it was covered with a paper to make you feel that this is a well, you know, a kind of a model of a well. And children, the other things which are used to make this well, you can see, you can try to make it like this. And using these 3 sticks, one in the middle and 2 at the side, and putting a wheel right here. You can see a wheel here, which you must be having at home in your sewing machine, or you can arrange for a wheel like this. Okay. And then children, there was a bucket being made to make you understand the kind of pulley works to lift a bucket full of water in a well. So with the help of this, I hope I try to make you understand how a pulley works. So children, here is the bucket which is going to be laid on a wheel like this. Can you see? When children it is laid on a wheel like this, can you see? And then when it is with the effort, you are pulling the bucket. Bucket is pulled, and as you can see, the wheel is rotating. Can you see, children? And the bucket has come up, and then you can carry this full bucket of water outside easily, which is deep down the well. So again, I am trying to show you the model which is there. You also can make and enjoy making a pulley at home. Use this kind of a cutting of a plastic bottle, then cover it. Try to make a view of a well out here. Then you can use 2 sticks like this. Then you can put a wheel right here. Then you can, children, make a bucket like this and try to use it in this form as I am showing it to you. Here, children, you can see you can just try to pull a bucket with the help of this wheel. Can you see, children? It is rotating and the bucket full of water is coming up very easily. So I hope, children, with this kind of a model, even you are practicing and trying to learn what is a pulley, how it works. and where is it used in this form. Clear, children? Try to make this model, try to understand what is a pulley and how it makes it easy for you to lift the bucket full of water. So I hope, children, with the help of this well, which is just a model for you to make you understand, I hope you also try to make this kind of a model. Please do try to make, okay? So that you are able to understand how a pulley is used, okay? So children, in the end, pulleys are commonly used in flagpoles and sailboats. As I have shown you here in the textbook, you have seen in the sailboat it is used. So you can understand how a pulley can help to lift a heavy load right here. Then whenever you are hoisting a flag with the help of a pulley, and you are able to use it in flagpoles. So children, I hope with the help of this video, you are able to understand what is a wheel and axle and what is a pulley and where these things are used in your daily life. I hope you try to make this model. I am requesting you again, try to make this model. It is very easy for you to make like this. Again, I am telling you at the end, try to make this pulley and try to understand how a pulley makes your life easy. Clear? I hope everyone is able to understand and try to make this model at home. It is very easy to make. Okay? So at the end of my video, children, here my class is getting over. I hope you are understanding how wheel and axle is used and how pulley is making your work easy. Go through the video again, children. Try to understand, and once again I am requesting you, try to make this model of a pulley at home. It is very easy for you to make. Clear? And thank you for now, children. Have a nice day. Bye bye.